I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your PC and gathering the necessary files. First, verify you run 64-bit Windows with at least 8 GB RAM and a DirectX 12-capable GPU, because the emulator relies on modern drivers. Once done, download the official or trusted emulator build and install the Visual C++ redistributable. This supplies required runtimes. Make sure you also update your GPU drivers and free 2040 GB on disk so installations and temporary caches won't fail. Create a restore point in case you need to revert. You now install and configure the emulator core and runtime. Extract the emulator to a dedicated folder and run the executable as administrator on first launch so it can write config files. Next, choose your graphics backend. Vulkan often performs best, but use DirectX 12 if Vulkan drivers are unstable. Enable multithreading and shader cache to reduce stutter, then point the emulator to your game folder or ISO image. Finally, map your controller, set save locations, and confirm audio latency and resolution settings match your display. You finish by verifying everything runs smoothly and saving a working configuration. Load a short section of game to test performance. Watch CPU and GPU usage and lower resolution, or switch backends if you see bottlenecks. If the emulator crashes or shows graphical glitches, try running in compatibility mode, disable overlays like game bars, and clear the shader cache so it rebuilds cleanly. Make sure to keep the emulator and GPU drivers updated, and export or copy your working config so you can restore it quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.